Welcome. In this guide, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of assembling and using the Roller Bench Tester. This device is designed to measure the speed of RC cars with precision and efficiency. It's perfect for RC enthusiasts and electronics hobbyists. In this kit, you'll find everything you need to assemble the Roller Bench Tester, 3D printed parts, electronic components, and a step-by-step guide. The device size is adjustable to fit almost all RC car sizes, accommodating wheelbases ranging from 200mm to 306mm. With the hardware ready, it's time to upload the program. Simply connect the ESP32 to your computer. Load the provided code, and you're ready to go. Place your RC car on the rollers, start the engine, and watch as the speed is displayed live on the OLED screen. The Roller Bench Tester features precise speed measurement, a mobile-friendly interface, and a durable 3D printed design. It's built for reliability and performance. Thank you for watching. We truly appreciate your time and support. Stay tuned for more exciting content and updates. Your feedback means a lot to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions. Until next time,